screen tour of Zoho RPA. When you log into your account, this is the very first screen you'll see. It's the main page where you'll find all the automations you've built. To start building automations, click the Create Flow button. For better organization, we also have an option to easily group these automations into folders, making it simple to categorize and manage your work. Next up is the Settings page, your go-to for managing everything related to your RPA account. Here, you can edit your organization details, set your preferred time zone, and much more. You'll also find a comprehensive execution history of your RPA flows and many other options to manage your account. Finally, we have the Dashboard page. This provides a high-level overview of all the RPA flows across your entire organization. You can quickly see their current statuses, whether they're live in production, still in drafts, or temporarily paused. This page also offers valuable insights into the overall health of your flows, showing you the number of successful executions versus failures across your organization. You'll even see a quick preview of recent activities from your execution history. Now, let's get to our next lesson.